I think one thing in the next set of food allergies certainly is thinking about the fact that not just kids get food allergies.
Oh, yeah.
And adults get food allergies, whether it's, allergy to red meat from the alpha-gal syndrome story or seafood. And are these therapies that we've been talking about, are they applicable to adults too?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, I definitely will say that population, the adults who get food allergy, are in some ways even more interesting to me because, again, what's going on with them where they were tolerant and then become allergic? Like, why is their immune system sort of breaking in a way? Whereas a lot of the kids with peanut, our understanding is they sort of start out that way.
Right.
And so I think it'd be really interesting to really look at that group of people, not only sort of with treatments like you're talking about, but again, understanding the immune system and understanding really just plain old food allergy of why this is happening.
It makes you think in some ways that tolerance to food may be much more of an active process than I feel like we've in the past thought of it as a passive type thing.
Right.
You're not reacting, so it's fine, but maybe what's really happening is you're actively maintaining tolerance.
Sure. I will absolutely agree with that most of our patients are not just singularly peanut allergic or even just alpha-gal allergic. I mean, many of them do have multiple diseases, multiple foods, or just multiple allergic diseases like you had mentioned. So maybe the eczema and the asthma as well as the food allergy. Right now, again, we're so focused on these very sort of food-specific treatments, these peanut treatments or otherwise, or the egg that we had talked about earlier today as well. But if we could really develop a treatment that more broadly covered the entire immune system, I mean, that would be wonderful, like a one-shot cure for all of that stuff. I mean, we know that right now at this stage is not realistic, but I know there's a lot of discussion about sort of biologics, some of these treatments that are going to sort of calm down or suppress the immune system, and if they can help across multiple diseases or multiple food allergies, that'd be fantastic.
Right, and to me, one of the issues that I see that's different between the adult food allergy patient and maybe the child is, as you alluded to, this sort of allergic march, right? Mm-hmm. Often with adults, there's probably some percentage that come to us with just the food allergy, and it may be a very different immunologic process than we're used to dealing with.
Right.
And hopefully we'll have therapies on the adult side, but it does make you wonder if they'll look different or if it'll be the same type of therapy.
Right. So yeah, I mean, I think one of the things that you and I both know is it's just as important on the surface to treat them as to understand and get those blood samples and skin tests and whatever it might be to try to understand what's happening in the immune system.
Yeah, absolutely.